Tony with Multi-Pro Roof Solutions. We're here at the Samantha Kinn's residence, handling claim 0729335026. Roof has been called for repairs on both slopes. Here we have a damaged shingle. I'm going to attempt the repair on this shingle. In order to get this shingle out, I'm going to have to get up into these shingles above it. That way I can get the fasteners out properly. There's already been a ton of mat transfer on just simply getting this shingle to begin getting the fasteners out. Roof is also 2 layers on this side, which makes repairing it a lot more difficult. The fasteners just don't hold like they should. Again with a ton of mat transfer. That's just pieces of the shingle. Oh, here we got already the shingle has been torn in the process trying to get to the fasteners. I'm no longer going to even attempt to repair. We've already caused more damage to the shingles above it, making this repair fail. In order to get this roof to pre-loss condition, I do think a full replacement is in order.